Further to our network security sections of the customer portal, compliance is a very important part of our services to you. We take our compliance certified customers very seriously because we know how important this is to your business. We have our own compliance certifications and we are under audit every day because of those certifications. If you'd like to look at or download any of our compliance certifications or our FAQs on compliance and security processes, you can find that here under the compliance section in our security documents. You also can find a copy of our current W-9, as well as reports on audits that have been conducted on our environment. For compliance, you can also run a self-assessment on any compliance standard that you're required to meet. In this case, this is FedRAMP, which is the federal government standard for vendors who are providing services to federal agencies. This is the largest compliance standard out there. It's over 3,000 pages. We're very proud of the fact that we've been certified for FedRAMP. That means the federal government is saying that we are trustworthy to host their own data. In this case, you can see each section of the FedRAMP compliance standard, and you can expand that and see which section of that particular requirement DataBank is participating in, and then you can self-assess your own certification where you are in that process. If you want to add documents to a given requirement, you can do that. This is very helpful if you have perhaps a network diagram, or you need to show a picture of your cabinet with the locking mechanism. You want to add comments about how you're meeting that standard, or perhaps how you're not required to meet that standard, whatever that is. And all of this information is saved for you. It's also only available to you as an administrator on the account. Anytime you wish, you can export this entire report with your comments and attachments to a PDF and provide that document to your auditor or assessor or a member of your staff that needs to see that. And we'll hold on to this for you, and you can come in and update it each year as needed. And that way you don't have to constantly be recreating this document every year when you come under audit. We want to make this as easy for you as possible.